I'm going to run it down, and as it's coming down, open the door so you can see it a little better. It does not stop just because the door is open. No safety on that. You do have to lower the gate for it to come down. I'll stop it when it comes down, and we can see the top side of the everything and the cylinder and all that. Not a whole lot to see, but there's that. Closes. Gate closes. All the controls, disconnect, it's got the chains on the back that you can hook onto right here for flipping bales out. Grab this ladder back here, then we can see the top side. Go up to the motor.